Welcome. In front of me is a MediaPad M5 from Huawei, and today I'll show you how to insert a SD card into the device. And as you can see, I have one right here, normal SD card. And one thing that you'll need also is this pin eject tool. They usually come with the device. If you can find it, you can always use something like a paper clip if you have that laying around. And from there, you want to take out the SIM tray, or memory tray, I guess, which is located on the right side, right here. There is a tiny little hole in there, and you basically push that in there. So as you can see, it's right now, laying in that hole. Once you push it in, you can see that it kind of came out. And all you can do is just pull it all the way out. And just pull it out like so, flip it over, and then just drop in the memory card in there. Actually, it's on the other side, so it's like so. Okay, so it goes like this, and we'll go back this way. So as you can see, it's laying flush with it. Make sure that it is on in your case as well. And then while holding it, just slide it back in, as you can see. So slide it all the way in, and now if I go into the settings and go into the storage, you will see now SanDisk memory card, which is the one that we just inserted, and as you can see, 32 gigabytes of storage. So it's all working. So that is basically how you insert an SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.